Did you know that the average toddler hears no 400 times a day? By the time you're 18, you would have heard no an astonishing 2.6 million times. This means that we are programmed to say no to opportunity when it's staring us right in the face. We get it. You're upset. COVID has ravaged the homes and lives of hundreds of thousands of people across the globe. The truth is, COVID caught us all off guard. We weren't prepared. But we see the good amid the pandemic. In the middle of all the pandemonium, we see that millions of Americans have found a way to leverage the power of the internet and enjoy their lives in the middle of a pandemic. It's time you reimagine your future by reinventing yourself. We've created the platform, the community, and the technology you need to end the year strong. We'll see you on the inside.
What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you. All right, before we get started, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back with TextBot AI. I want to show you some of the new updates that they have added to TextBot and show you where they are and what they are, okay? But before we get started, if you're not familiar with TextBot AI, it's a software, guys. This software was created to help you collect leads, generate leads, okay? You can use these leads for your primary business as well as use the leads to promote TextBot, okay? The software will collect, okay? It collects phone numbers, email addresses, and names, okay? So what I like about the software is it's pretty much automated, okay? As it states, it is an app. It's a software, and it automatically answers your incoming phone calls, generates leads for your business, answer questions via text, automatically follow up with the leads via text. It gives you, gives you your time back, so you don't have to spend a lot of time trying to sift and sort through the people that's interested, okay? And by the way, it helps you make money. Every time you sell this software, you make $100 instantly, okay? Paid directly to you any way you want, okay? Whether it's Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, any way you want to collect those payments, you can do that. So it's very newbie friendly. Doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, okay? You can use this system because everybody needs leads, and this system is going to help you generate those leads, okay? And it's very affordable. It's only $150 to get started with this system. And if you want the mid-ticket commissions, they have that too. The Ava Plus, okay, product is $550. So you can make $100 commissions or $500 commissions, guys. This is an awesome system. I love it. I absolutely love it because I can promote my primary business also with this. When people call my number, 850-253-6408, Ava is going to send them also a text for my primary business, all right? So check that out. Call that number or go to the link that I list below in the description, okay? And go check this thing out for $150. And when you join me, I have created a customized postcard that you will have access to, okay? They can put your picture on here. See where my picture is? You can have your picture put there on your card when you mail them out and give it a more personal feeling, okay? And when you join, I will give you 200 leads. I will mail you 200 leads to get you started to mail these postcards to, okay? So let's go take a look at the new updates that TextBot has added. All right, I'm in my back office. As you can see, that's me right there on that picture. All right, so we're in the back office. Everything to your left, okay, this is basically your dashboard is where we are, okay? We're on your dashboard. So I want to show you where the additions are. If you go down here, guys, and you click training, Okay, click training. I was blown away when I saw all this training that they have added. Okay, before we get there though, right here on your dashboard, you will see your phone number that TextBot gives you to promote. That's your phone number. You'll have your own. And then you'll see 2 links that you can promote. Okay, so you have everything you need back here to get this thing started. So I'm at 2,200 in sales now. Okay, we're steady growing. All right, so let's look to the left. Click training, guys. Look at all this training that the owner and Franco has put in this back office. Look at this. You click training. Look at all this training. Okay, so just with this system, this is included. Okay, all this training is included. So you have no excuses of I don't know what to do, how to do. Click on training and get this training. So you have your Franco Live training here. And then you click Tech Tuesday. Okay, every Tuesday, let's go to the dashboard again. Tech Tuesday episodes, they have this webinar. Every Tuesday, they record it if you miss it. Or you can go on it, register from your back office, and check it out every Tuesday at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. If you miss it, they record it. So you go to training, click Tuesday. Okay, and here's the trainings from the Tech Tuesday. Okay, is that awesome or what? And then if you click product training, there's product training right there as well to show you how to use the custom keywords, how to use Ava Plus if you have Ava Plus, guys. Everything is right here for you. Okay, you just have to log in your back office, check out these trainings, and apply at least one method. Okay, so definitely go in your back office, click on training, and start applying this stuff. Okay, this is a simple system. Okay, let me show you where, if you have a primary business that you want to promote, let me show you how to do that here in TextBot. Okay, so you would go here to the right, where this picture would be, click my profile, click primary business right here. Click this, and right here is the link you would put in here, your primary business. That way Ava can help promote that for you as well. And don't forget to plug in your payment methods right there. Okay, so right here you can do PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, or credit card. If you have like Stripe or Zelle or Bitcoin, plug all those in and you're all set. Click save and you're ready to go. Okay guys, so go ahead and call my number 845-253-6408 or go to the link that I placed below, easyprofit100.com. Get started with me in TextBot so you get access to these cards. You can do this with the cards, or I actually have 5 methods, 5 ways that I will show you how you can promote TextBot. Very simple. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay guys, be safe out there. Have a blessed day.